Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see one another Konkani delicacy, Kole Ambat, which is a coconut based curry that is spicy and sour. So the main ingredient here is ashgod, which is a very healthy vegetable, and it is called kuwala in Konkani. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get the latest notification from our channel. To make the recipe, the ingredients required are 1 cup of ashgod, quarter cup of colocasia root, quarter cup of yam, 1 cup of grated coconut, half a teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon chili flakes or 2 to 3 red chilies, 1 teaspoon tamarind, half a teaspoon mustard seed, half teaspoon jeera and few curry leaves for seasoning, 3/4 cup curd or buttermilk, 1 teaspoon salt or more according to taste. In a cooker, add all the vegetable and 1 cup of water and pressure cook for 1 whistle in high flame. To prepare the masala, add grated coconut, turmeric, chili flakes and tamarind and little water and grind it to a fine paste. There is one more variation to this recipe in which we will not be adding red chili and turmeric. Instead, we will be adding green chili to grind the masala. Add the masala and some water to the cooked vegetable and mix well. Add salt and curd to the gravy and mix well. Once the curd is added, do not cook the gravy further and switch off the flame. In another karai, when the oil heats up, add mustard, jeera and curry leaf and prepare the seasoning. Add the seasoning to the well cooked curry and your ambat is ready. The recipe and the ingredients shown in this video can serve about 2 to 3 people. Do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was. If you like our video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. There are few more videos displayed on the screen. Do click and enjoy them as well. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.